Here's one of our finished cabinets in our kitchen upgrade project. You can see everything's complete. Drawers slide nicely in and out, all that good stuff. But what I want to talk about today is what happens if you didn't measure correctly for sliders. So stay tuned.
All right, if you get impatient like me and you build your drawers before you get the sliders, this is what happens. You end up with a drawer that's slightly wider than what you need. You want to measure your drawers with the sliders in place. I didn't do that because I got anxious. I just went ahead and built the drawers in advance, and now I have a drawer that's slightly too wide. So I've got a slider over here, it fits fine, but the slider on the other side does not. I'm going to have to make some adjustments. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to notch in only where the sliders are going to be in place. Right here, you'll see I drew a notch, or I'm going to cut a notch based on the drawing I made there. So I'm going to show you how I went forward with this. Alright, so I cut the notch, as you can see. All I did was I used a regular handsaw. Got right in there. First I drew where I wanted the notch and then got in there with the handsaw. I did the rough cut with the handsaw, and then I used the utility knife to do some fine-tuning cuts. I really got in there more with the utility knife. I was able to shave off a lot of the wood that way. That's just pine, so it's real easy to cut, and you can see that the slider fits in very nicely. I didn't cut all the way in. I cut about halfway, half of the width of the slider. That way I was able to get match notches on the other sides, and I had to cut notches in all 6 spots, as you can see there. Alright, with shaker style drawer fronts like we have here, the only one that will ever know about those notches will be you. Yeah, they're kind of sort of visible, but not really. No one's going to pay attention. So don't worry about the notches being visible. Hope this video helped you in your cabinet builds. If it did, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.